What if I told you that not all air fryers are created equal? In 2025, some air fryers are blowing minds with their features, while others are just, well, frying air. Today, we're revealing the top 5 best air fryers you need to see before you buy. From insane cooking speeds to mind-blowing tech, these picks will change the way you cook forever. Oh, and spoiler alert, you won't believe what's coming in at number 1. All product links are in the description, so let's dive in. Number 1. Instant Vortex Plus 6-quart Air Fryer. Instant Brands brought us the revolutionary time-saving Instant Pot, but the company has moved well beyond that, with various countertop appliances including toaster ovens, rice cookers, and more. In general, Instant's tools are formidable performers at middle-of-the-road prices, and this air fryer has proved its mettle in round after round of testing. We like the wide, square-shaped basket of the 6-quart Vortex Plus, which can accommodate batches of fries or wings without overcrowding. The air circulation and power have provided the best results for almost every food we've tried, including tricky coconut shrimp and Brussels sprouts. It's quiet enough to run in a busy kitchen, and the non-stick interior makes cleanup easy. Over the long term, we've found this model to be very consistent and accurate. It may not create quite as much browning as more powerful machines, but it can cook salmon and pork tenderloin evenly every time without any rubbery or raw areas. Number 2. Ninja DZ071 Foodi FlexBasket Air Fryer. With a dual-zone air fryer, you can make your tater tots on one side and your salmon on the other, cooking each one for the right time and at the right temperature to deliver a perfectly cooked meal, all at once. Ninja has sold dual-zone models for a few years, but this one has the advance that you can use its baskets separately or combine them into one 7-quart beast. Our tests found this Ninja worked well on chicken wings and hand-cut fries, our litmus test for all air fryers. It lacked somewhat in temperature control, however, both baskets varied from their set temperature by a wider margin than our other favorites. Once you get used to this and adjust your settings accordingly, it's user-friendly, large in capacity when it needs to be, and has the versatility that families both large and small will appreciate. Number 3. Instant Pot Vortex Plus 10-quart Air Fryer. The 10-quart Instant Vortex produced great fries, wings, and air-fried apples in testing, and was a breeze to operate thanks to the clear display and good instructions. The trays and rotisserie insert add to its functionality, but all pull out completely and were easy to clean after every recipe we tested. Though it doesn't have any smart connectivity, the preset modes, available accessories, and large size make it an attractively versatile tool in the kitchen. And for all the features and accessories included, the price is an excellent deal. Number 4. Typhur Dome. No, this bubble-shaped machine isn't a Star Wars robot, it's a unique design for an air fryer that puts the fan directly atop the heating element, suspended over the food. This makes it quieter and faster than comparable machines and enables a unique auto-cleaning mode you must run just once a month to keep the interior free of grease and charred bits. But the bigger advantage of the Typhur Dome is its Wi-Fi capability. You can set any of its 10 cooking modes from your phone or pick from more than 50 built-in recipes to let the oven do everything for you. Except actually start cooking, you have to hit the button to do that physically. You'll even get convenient notifications when preheating and cooking are done, too. We found the app easy to set up and use, a real rarity among smart appliances. In our tests, salmon and bok choy both cooked very nicely, with a good char on the exterior of the former and a perfect crisp tender texture on the latter. It didn't do quite as well with pork, leaving the meat a bit dry. The Typhur Dome is a great option for a beginner or someone who wants to air fry a wide variety of foods. Just beware that it's extremely expensive, especially given its average capacity. Number 5. Instant Omni Plus Air Fryer Toaster Oven. This extra-large toaster oven air fryer is a versatile countertop appliance with lots of extra functions. It can bake, broil, air fry, and even dehydrate, thanks to the consistent air circulation and powerful heating elements. The size accommodates a 12-inch pizza, a whole chicken, or even a 9 by 13-inch baking dish for a quick batch of brownies. And, of course, it also made perfect toast in testing. We struggle to find a downside with the performance and features of the Omni Plus, but it might be more than you need. It's pretty expensive compared to the 6-core instant Vortex above, and it's not any better at basic air fryer functions. It has more than triple the capacity, but not every kitchen needs this much air fryer space. It's fairly cumbersome, so it's not easily portable or easy to tuck away in a cabinet. So, which of these air fryers are you adding to your kitchen? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to smash that like button if this video helped you out, share it with your foodie friends, and subscribe for more game-changing kitchen gadget reviews. All the product links are waiting for you in the description. Go grab your favorite before it sells out. Until next time, stay crispy.